the network. Okay, how to share your DVD drive on network. Clear? Got the point? Means share. Suppose now you have a computer. Okay, you have a computer, but you don't have a DVD drive. Like here we have a DVD drive, we got DVD drive, is it? But here also we got a DVD drive. But what happened to a computer that without a DVD drive? You want to install some programs, okay? You want to install some programs, clear? Or you want to copy some file from a disk, okay? Without a DVD drive. So how to do that one is very simple. So I insert here first, clear? Insert, done. So next is that. When you open your computer, DVD is already there. But here, can you check from here? Stand up. But here, DVD is not there, is it? So what? How to share that one? Come here. So right click on this DVD drive. Right click. Click on properties, or you directly can give access to advanced sharing settings. And here, advanced. Click on advanced sharing. Then here, share this folder. Take that one. That is F. Okay. So this one user 220. Okay, you can use more than that also. And permission here. If you give read, then they can read only. If you give change, they can change. If you give full control, they can do whatever they want. Okay. So I'll give full because I need to copy something. Then apply. Then click on OK. Then here apply. OK. Then close. So this drive is, you see these two people here, okay, that means share. So welcome to the other PC. Come to the another PC. Check here. So how to do that one? Win plus R, open and run, open run, then double backslash, then 192.168.1. What is the sender? 5. So sender is number 5. So now remove F. Is it? We send the F. Clear? Open. So here is the 5. So to confirm that we share the exact one, the real one. So here also you can right click open. So these are the same files. Is it clear? So here what I'm going to do is that I can install an apps also through this network. See here, we don't have any DVD from here, but we access from a network, so that you can set up here. It will work. Run. Okay, you can install the driver. I share the driver. Okay, driver this. So you check here. Then click on yes. Then you just wait. Okay. So here, if that is not working, then you can do that. You can install direct the software also. Click here on drivers. Click here like VGA here. Okay, like VGA here. Right click here, manage. See like driver here. Just check. Device manager. That means driver also here is missing. Display driver, or it's not missing. It's already installed. If it's not installed, then here you can select Windows 10. Then click on graphic, or you can directly ASUS setup. Okay, or if you want a graphic here, then click on graphic, and here click on this one. this application. Okay, clear? So like that to install. Clear? So that is how to install. So same things, whether you send from here to that side or from that side to here, make sure that when you open here, okay, this one, right click, properties also is there. From here, properties, if you can do the second step also, properties, and click here on sharing. In sharing, you select on advanced sharing. This is not share, you see here, this is not share. That means you have to share. Advanced sharing, share this folder. So here this is F. I will make us different name. Make us Z drive also, or I'll make us this one, this. Okay, so I'll give on permission here, allow, then apply, okay, apply, okay, close. That means here properties again here, that means your thing is that sharing is done, share, is it? There you can type this one also, network part. Okay, you can type this one also. If you type this one, it will display, it will automatically, this is the means, like this is the part, it will automatically link to this DVD. Clear? Understand? So okay, or you can check from a network also, the other step. You see here the network, can you see from the network? In the network here, this way, this is your PC. We have 3 PC, maybe this is the one F, this is the 5, is it? So here this is the other PC, so this is not connected in network. Okay, this is your PC, so there is no file in your this thing, but this is that other PC. So this is the sender PC, so here we have the files. Okay, whether you can access direct from a network, or if you know the IP address, then you can access directly from IP address. So that is very easy for you. Clear?